Pikachu. Pikachu is yellow. He has a tail, and he's an electric Pokemon. Alright, let's put Pikachu on the side, right here. Now let's see what's our next toy. Our next toy is Sky. Sky is an air pup, which means that she likes to fly airplanes, jets, and helicopters, and she's not scared of heights. Her favorite color is pink. That's why her hat and her shirt is pink. Alright, let's put Sky on the side. Here. Let's see what we have next. Next up we have Maui from Moana. He is a demigod, and he's from the movie Moana. Look how much tattoos he has. Look at all those tattoos. You can click this button to make noise.
Only the greatest demigod in all the South Pacific. With his magical vision, he slows down the sun.
Alright, let's put Maui on the side. See what we have next. So next we have a Spider-Man head with Iron Man body. Iron Man can fly and he's like a robot. And Spider-Man became Spider-Man because he got bitten by like a radioactive spider. And then he had like superpowers, which were climbing walls and shooting webs from his hands. Iron Man just shoots lasers from his hands. Let's put Iron Man right here. Let's see what we have next. After that, we have Miss Fritter. She's a school bus. Miss Fritter is from Cars 3, if you guys have watched it. Look at Miss Fritter. She has like 2 horns. And look at this. It's like a chainsaw or something on the side. And you can move it like this. See? Alright, let's put Miss Fritter right here. Okay, so after that we have a chameleon. Look at the chameleon's tongue. It's so long. And you can click this button to pull the tongue back. Like that. So cool, right? Chameleons are reptiles and lizards, and they can become invisible. Let's put the chameleon right here. Let's see what else is inside of this. So we have My Little Pony Pinkie Pie. She has pink hair, look, and a pink tail, and she likes to party. Alright, let's put Pinkie Pie right here. And let's see what else we have inside of this egg. So we have PJ Masks Owlette. So you can open its mouth. PJ Masks Owlette is a superhero, or also known as a PJ Masks. At nighttime, she wears a pajama, goes to the base, and turns into a superhero. Her superpower is flying, and she has a red costume. Let's put PJ Masks Owlette right here. Right, now let's see what we have next. So after PJ Masks Owlette, we have PJ Masks Catboy. So PJ Masks Catboy can shoot out bubbles from his mouth. Pretty awesome, right? Oh. And PJ Masks Catboy is the same thing as PJ Masks Owlette, except that he's a boy and has different superpowers. At nighttime, PJ Masks Catboy wears a costume, goes to the base, and turns into a superhero. PJ Masks Catboy's costume looks like a cat, and his superpower is running fast. Let's put PJ Masks Catboy right here. Let's see what we have next. So after PJ Masks Catboy, we have Blue Tile. Blue Tile is a talking bus, and his bus number is 120. You can open this door. Look. Open, close. And Blue Tile can talk to his passengers inside of him. Let's put Blue Tile right here. And let's see what we have next. Our next toy is Dino Trucks. Dino Trucks is a TV show from Netflix. If you want to watch it, just watch it on Netflix. Dino Trucks can open its mouth. Look. And he can move his arms. And he can move his wrecking ball right here. Like that. And this Dino Truck is a T-Rex. And T-Rex are very, very strong. They have very big mouths. And small hands. And they can eat a lot of things. Let's put this Dino Truck right here. And let's see what else we got inside this LOL surprise. So we have pink Patrick. Patrick is a star. Look at his green pants. And he's opening his mouth right now because he's so surprised. And this Patrick can squeeze like this. See? Alright, let's put Patrick on the side. And by the way, Patrick has a friend named SpongeBob. So, our next toy is SpongeBob. SpongeBob has a friend named Patrick. SpongeBob is like a sponge, but he's wearing pants and shoes. He works at Krusty Krabs and can make really delicious burgers. And look at this one. This one has a Christmas hat and a Christmas light. I think the present's for Patrick. Let's put SpongeBob next to Patrick.